ladies and gentlemen. Happy Unusual Monday. We are here starting off this week of learning from home, and I think it's going to be a really great opportunity for many of you to self-direct your learning. I think this is going to be a great process for many of you to be away from distractions that we might normally have at school and really focus on the content that we need to learn in all subjects. I will say, it was very quiet here without you all, and we do miss you, and we hope things are going well. Please, please, please reach out to any of your teachers about anything. If you have concerns about class, about academics, maybe it's something else, feel free. We're here for you, and we want to make that very clear. For social studies, I plan to record a video every Monday and post it in our social studies Google Classroom, so that way you have an outline of what you should be doing every week to stay on track. Now, for some of you, you're probably going to move quicker than the pace that I set, and that's totally fine. That's great. Some of you might be getting through social studies in a faster time than your peers, and that's all right. The videos, though, are meant to give you a guideline for what you should expect to get done. So these are goals that you need to be setting for yourself. I'll help you set those goals, but it's up to you to meet them, okay? If you have questions, please, please, please reach out and email me. So for this week, we'll call this week 1. There's 3 things that I would say we should work on. First, I have updated our project. It's called The Social Impacts of the Civil War and Reconstruction WebQuest. I will be posting a how-to video in that project in a few minutes, hopefully. But it's a WebQuest. You all have done WebQuest before. You're very familiar with them, so you just click on the link and answer the corresponding questions. So our goal for the project would be to get through about half of the WebQuest links this week. So you can do it all in one sitting. Maybe you're going to just do a couple at a time every day, whatever works for you. But our goal would be to get through about half of them. We'll continue that WebQuest project next week. As far as focus areas go, many of you did pass Reconstruction at school, and that's awesome. However, a lot of you did not, and that's okay too. What I'm going to tell everyone to start with is kind of juggling both industrialization and Reconstruction. So you're going to work kind of at the same time on both, depending on your individual situation. So industrialization, there's study guides. I've posted multiple video lectures. There's a PowerPoint. There's a Quizlet. There's plenty of resources for you to jump right in with industrialization and hopefully be very successful on that assessment. I would suggest that you maybe spend Monday, maybe Tuesday as well, working through the focus area, and then we can move towards the assessment on Wednesday. Now, if you still need to pass Reconstruction, Ms. Brittingham and myself are working on creating some review videos. I will have a study guide review video where I'm going through a study guide, reviewing the key points of the assessment with you. And Ms. Brittingham is going to be making a video where she goes over our PowerPoint again. So basically the class lesson, she'll be doing that and posting it. Ms. Brittingham and I work really closely together. Conquistadors and Navigators do the exact same work. We use the exact same resources. So regardless of whether I post it or whether Ms. Brittingham posts it, those are key things for our camper students. So you need to be looking at those. Other than that, that would be our goals for this week. So let me review. Working on about halfway through the next project, the WebQuest. And that is different from the one we did last week at school. This one is in Summit, so you need to look in Summit. And then working through industrialization and Reconstruction as well. So those are your goals for this week. Please come up with a schedule for yourself that will help you meet those goals. I personally would maybe write down what you want to accomplish each day, put goals into the Summit platform, All of those are going to be great opportunities for you to really organize your learning and be successful. Feel free to reach out to me every day if you have any questions. I am here for you all, and I hope you have a great start to your week.